guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on this Thanksgiving Glam look. And my inspo for this look was actually one of those like turkey hens you make like in kindergarten. I don't know if you remember those. But like the colors I usually use really browns, reds, oranges, and yellows, you know. So that was kind of the inspo behind this eye look. But yeah, it was super easy, super fun. So if you would like to see how I did this look, then go ahead and keep watching. To prime the lid, I'll be taking the P. Louise Rumor 0.5 base. And you really just need the tiniest amount of this. The two palettes we'll be using today are both by Morphe, and it's the James Charles palette and the Jaclyn Hill palette. Just because I feel like the Jaclyn Hill palette has like more variations of like browns, and I don't really like, not that I don't like the browns in the James Charles palette, I just feel like, I don't know, whatever. It really doesn't matter. But yeah, so for our transition shade, I'll be taking a little bit of, we'll be doing a lot of mixing actually. So I'm taking a little bit of Roxanne, which is right here, which is kind of like an orangey brown. Taking a tiny bit of that, and then that's just going to be our transition shade. And so just applying that in circular motions. So going back in with Mocha, I'm mixing that with Central Perk, and that is going to go in our crease. So I'm just packing it out in the outer corner and then windshield wiping into the crease. Okay, so the rest of the video is going to be a voiceover. I'm not sure what happened to the audio for the rest of the footage. But right now I'm just carving out my lid with some shadow base. Then going into the Morphe James Charles palette, I'm taking the red shade You're Kidding and placing that in a tapping motion on the outer third towards the middle of my lid. Then going into the shade 518 and Rusted together, I'm doing the exact same thing with that and just tapping it on, making sure it is blended. For the inner third of the eye look, I'm taking the Nicka K 24K Gold Highlight, and I'm just placing that there. And then I will be taking a blending brush just to blend the orange and gold shade together, just to make sure it's like a seamless blend. And I'm also using that to highlight my brow bone. Then I'm just going to go in and add a wing liner. Nothing too dramatic, just a simple wing liner. You can also use like a brown liquid liner if you wanted to. That would look really good with this, but I just have black. Now I'm just gonna take a little more of that mocha shade and just deepen it the outer corner and just blend it. Then for the lower lash line, I'm just taking some Hunts and smoking out that, and then I do take a little bit of mocha as well for the outer third of the lower lash line. Then taking this brown kohl liner, I'm just gonna line my waterline. Then I'm just gonna highlight my inner corner with the 24K Gold highlighter that we used for the inner third of our lid. And then just applying a coat of mascara to my top and bottom lashes just to prepare them for the falsies. So now we'll just be speeding through the process of my face. So I'm just applying some translucent powder just to set my foundation down. Then I'll be taking my Morphe bronzer and just bronzing the perimeter of my face, which is like my temples, my cheekbones, and my jawline. For blush, I'm taking the Milani Rose d'Oro Baked Powder Blush, which used to be one of my favorites. And then for highlight, I'm using the same Nicka K 24K highlight mixed with a little bit of the Amrezy highlighter, and just applying that to the cheekbones and down the bridge of my nose. Now for lashes, I'm taking the Boxycharm Lily lashes in the style CEO and just applying those. So this is the completed eye look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you all in the next one.